The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown person is going around jumping people and telling them that they are in the wrong neighborhood. He was last seen wearing a wolf t-shirt, blue jeans, a Seattle Kraken cap, black sunglasses, a cross necklace, and black and red Nikes. It is advised all residents should seek shelter immediately. Do not go outside at all costs. If you see this person, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. At 6:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown gangster-like person is stealing people's money and telling them that they are in the wrong neighborhood. All residents in the Atlanta area are advised to stay indoors with all doors and windows locked and to not go outside. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, these unknown people were classified to be a group of gangsters that were breaking into people's homes and stealing things. All residents hearing this message, get indoors immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, chargers, and a battery-powered radio to last up for a while until the all clear is given. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. An administrative message from the Indianapolis Police Department. An all clear has given. It is safe to leave your shelters now. However, there is massive damage to all the cities that were destroyed and could take several months to rebuild. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We may now resume normal programming.